guys, welcome to Random Fandom. Do you have a YouTube channel? Have you ever been demonetized? Well, maybe your demonetization cause is not copyright. Maybe it's something else, like a COPPA violation or one of these many words that trigger demonetization. Like, shoot, not even all of them are curse words, like, you know, the F word, or, you know, some of them are just ordinary words that people say all the time in their daily life. Like, maybe you say something like affordable. Well, bam, now you're demonetized. Well, maybe you want to stop that from happening to your channel so often. Well, thankfully, TubeBuddy has a tool to help you find out what words might be triggering demonetization, and also if your videos are being marked for kids or not. All you have to do is just go to the link in the description below, download TubeBuddy, install it, and head over to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Click on this arrow key under the bulk and miscellaneous tools, or over here you can click on this button here, go to tools, and launch the COPPA Center, and that is how you can get to the COPPA Center, which just shows you what videos are marked as being for kids or not. Now, I've already scanned my channel, but I'll go ahead and show you how the tool works. So as you can see, after you scan your channel, you can view your scan results, and it will show you whether or not your video is being made for kids or not made for kids. And YouTube sometimes will come along and mark your video as being made for kids. And typically what that will do is it will demonetize your content for that video. You can't have, you know, affiliate links and that sort of thing in your description. You can't do this and that, all because of COPPA rules. But that is an easy and convenient way to find out whether or not your videos are being marked as made for kids and whether or not you marked them yourself. There are two sides to that coin. If you're making content for kids, you want your videos to be shown to kids, so you need to mark your videos as being made for kids so that YouTube will show your videos to kids. But if you're not making videos for kids, you want your channel to be monetized as much as possible, then you don't want your videos being marked as being for kids. Now on to the next part is the demonetization double check. Like I showed you earlier, there are words that can trigger demonetization. This YouTuber has went on to try to find out what words cause demonetization and then compile them into this list. Well, TubeBuddy, I'm sure, has their own list of words that they know that triggers demonetization, and their demonetization double check will check your videos to make sure that you don't have any of those words in your descriptions. And actually, maybe we'll go ahead and try it out. Let's edit this video and let's just type in maybe some curse words in the description. We'll put them right here. Alright, so we put in some curse words there. Let's see if the demonetization double check will scan that for me. Maybe you have to scan your channel every so often. Maybe you can't scan multiple times, I guess. Okay, let's just go ahead and click on that video itself. And like I showed you, you can access a demonetization double check from earlier, but over here, you also have this checker right here. So as you can see, The following words may potentially trigger demonetization, like I said. There's the curse words that we have in there. So you can see that this tool works. We'll go ahead and remove those and save our video. And there you go. It's all cleaned up right there. So that should help you find out whether or not your videos are being demonetized for reasons other than copyright. Anyways, be sure to check out TubeBuddy. You can get the link in the description below. It is a free tool. The demonetization double check is free. It's right here, or nope, not free. Okay, maybe not the demonetization double check, but the COPPA center is free. As you can see right there. But you can get the demonetization double check for free by getting a free sponsored upgrade. All you have to do is get your 7-day trial for completing a survey, or putting your card and you can get like a 30-day trial. There's many ways you can get free upgrades, so not to worry. Even if you can't afford the subscription prices, you can still use those features on your channel and scan your entire channel. Clean stuff up a bit before you gain views and gain enough money to pay for your license. So there you go. There's no reason for you to not install TubeBuddy. Be sure to check it out. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, peace.